met President Najib at the presidential palace in Kabul.
It's a very peaceful day, but everybody says that we're surrounded by your enemies. Are you at all worried about the security?
Now we will go to the mosque.
Yeah.
Yes. 5 kilometers, I think 2 kilometers far from here. You can see that we are living among the people, not among the enemy. Yes.
Every Friday, President Najib prays, usually at his favorite mosque.
We were wondering, what did you pray for in the mosque today? What did you pray
for the people.
At the presidential palace, we were able to conduct an interview with President Najib.
The Soviet army has finally left. Is your government